Because rat is like a lot of RNG, I think, and this is just myself and the setup and my inputs. I can only blame myself if I miss it. But I guess to do this is maybe harder because of the inputs and the setup, like all of this. Yeah, you need like a good rat. This is always the same, so I just do the setup and hope for the best.
Yo, gamers.
But I like this because
What's going on?
it's actually free for me. I can get the helmet like every time.
Do we have transcoding yet?
And this is a much better helmet proxy than what they usually like tell you in the tutorials.
In the tutorials.
Like, to look like that, I think. But it doesn't give that much height sometimes.
Okay, we're making our blog basically.
So much speed.
So I have a Trello board that I'm going to create. Let's make a Trello board. Oh wait, no, I made a Trello board. I made one yesterday. Called Content Hub. Remember Content Hub, guys? We love Content Hub. Okay, so I'm going to make the action items for Content Hub. Because I only have like 45 minutes.
I wish there was
TBH. Only got like 45 minutes here until I got to split for work. So.
Get all the way on the tower.
So yeah.
And then just glide to the island.
So we're gonna research some inspo real quick. I think I've done most.
It's close, but nope.
Okay, so I'm gonna send these over. Move to Content Hub. Can't move because there's no lists. No, I'm gonna say parse because we're just gonna start organizing this board today. Move to Content Hub. Boom. Move to Content Hub. B. Yeah, that's it. Coolio. Oh, is this? What is with this? Do I have transcoding yet? I do have transcoding. Good shit. Very good shit. Cool. Here's my inspiration. So I'm gonna pull up all of these. Lane. No, yeah, this is it. So I'm inspired by this and this. Now, this is his personal blog. This is the boot.dev blog. This guy,
I want to get it like at least one
has a back-end course, boot.dev. He was on Free Code Camp with a very long video that I've featured on stream, how to get a dev job. But this is his personal blog. He has not updated this in a while. This is the boot.dev blog.
That was gonna make.
So I kind of want to make something like this. What else do I have? There's Yassine. I have a lot of inspiration to take from Yassine, but I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. Fuck me. Yassine. This guy made Dingboard. Dingboard's pretty fucking cool.
Maybe I'm turning too fast.
Oh, it just works without sign-in now.
Which is why I always get out of the helmet.
That's pretty cool. Oh, it has image generation coming soon. Depth-wise background removal. No fucking shot. He's pissing his pants. It's so good. Yeah, huge inspiration, but I don't think I want my blog to look like this. Maybe I do. B-log. What's up, A-Rod? How you doing, bro? How you doing, bro? Tell me everything. Tell me everything. John Morning. John GPT. I'm researching my inspirations right now. Helping you succeed through online marketing. I just want this. I just want the blog. Read the blog, yeah. This is kind of nice. It's like a little timeline. I do want mine. I don't really like the look of this though. Pretty sure I have a. You can suck my dick if you think I'm disabling my ad block. V nice. Good shit, man. Hope you have a good day. It's Wednesday. So it's Wednesday. I had 2 interviews last week, which have been completely ghosted, I believe. Both of them. And I'm also still waiting to hear back from a volunteer job of all things that they said they would get back to me last week. And nothing. So, a lot of ghosting. Yeah. I swear, man, every day there's like but that's the market, right? Not everyone has the time to talk to everyone, I guess. Even if they're not getting a job or something. I don't know. This isn't what I wanted. I just wanted your blog, dog. I just want to read your fucking blog post, dog. Whatever. I get these guys' emails and they're really cool, but I guess his website sucks absolute asshole, so I'm not inspired by it. I'm inspired by these two. This is just like super basic, which it'd be nice to like... It'd be nice to know how these guys like do this, basically. Cause like this is, I like this website and it's like super simple. This is the whole website right here. And like, same with this, it's kind of...
Nice. Yo, Elucidar, thank you for the good luck. Hope you're doing well. GG on the...
See, just obfuscating shit.
Don't forget the...
Start GDocs on embedding.
I think I used to forget the whale as well on my first runs.
Oh, does he just get a fucking Google Doc? So I have a lot to... Let me get a fucking list going. there's just so much to unpack with making new shit. Inspirations. So what am I looking at here? I like the simple. Like, what do I like is what's going under inspirations. But yeah, Adrian, I hope you are having a great day and week. And
That was risky, but okay.
you know, hope it's a good one, my friend. It's hump day. Did 35 minutes on the stair stepper today. Absolutely fucking just. I'm getting like damn, bro. Thank you. Halfway there. Well, we're not. I hate to. SpongeBob, I love to burst your bubble, but we are not halfway there yet. We have like 5 hours till we're even halfway there. Shut the. You're like, hey, shut the fuck up. Let me bask in my hump day glory. So simplicity of Lane's basic HTML blog. I like that. I also like the simplicity of Yassine's like all of these are just Google Docs as far as I can tell from the, because like I'm so glad I read this because he's just taking Google Doc. Well, look, I don't actually know, but GPT sure as fuck does. Above is the source code for one of my favorite contents creators blog slash public, yeah, public creators blogs. From what I can tell in the JS scripts, he's just using a Google Doc full of notes, and those get grabbed and injected into the HTML. Am I mostly right? Can you educate me on what's actually going on with the content grabbing, and also educate me on the other techniques Yassine may be using? Give me the fucking scoop. Give me the scoop. How content from the Google Doc is being injected. Let's break down the JS parts. Attempts to unembed Google Docs content and inject it directly into the web page. So that's funny. That's what I do with my... That's funny because that's what I do with my About section. My About section is straight up grabbed from... Jesus, why isn't there word wrap? Why isn't... Oh. I need to view page source of... I don't actually know how to look for this. The source for this would be in the GitHub repo that it's being served from, obviously. So we can actually look at that. No. Price. Source. About. So yeah, it's doing kind of the same thing where it's grabbing. Well, it's not doing it in a. His Google Docs are actually Simplicity of Yassine's blog. Technique of Yassine grabbing Google Docs and injecting into HTML could just house all content data in a Google Doc. Similar. That shit's fucking. I'm glad I'm getting these ideas. You just gotta. Sometimes you just gotta look. Sometimes you just gotta look. Obviously, I'm not gonna take his fucking code, even though. Well, I have full confidence that he wrote this himself, even though I know we both could write this with GPT in like 30 seconds. So, you know, that's why no one's giving me a job, because we can all just write this in 30 seconds with GPT. Yeah. Also, I like this, how he has like a artificial agents. Click here. I don't know. There's just a lot of stuff that I can get from Yassine's blog. Now, what am I... Let's move on. I do like the artificial agents note. I like that. But yeah, it's kind of what's happening here. It's grabbing my profile. My readme.md, and it's just putting it here. So if I were to change this, it would come up here.
I'm gonna continue for now.
So yeah. I like this because it has the different modular like tiles, and they each have like a picture and some data. So this is like what I want to model my components that have my content in them after. Let's see here. Yeah, so boot.dev blog, it has just nice modular entries with imagery, could be embedded vid, along with the metadata. SEO optimized. I don't even know why I have to say it. So I would like optimize all of these for Google to pick them up. And I would, yeah. There's so many moving parts right now. It'll be nice to have a weekend, because last weekend I was like furiously getting the message box done for the streaming app. Tomorrow I actually am finish that. I am gonna finish that, the messaging on the chat app. Gonna go hard on that tomorrow. Today I'm still, what am I gonna do at work? Because I'm still at work, just like training, doing videos, not a lot of actual work on my plate. So I'm still like on my laptop, just chilling. Anyway.
Listen carefully, you.
Bing Chiling, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna read the rest of this just to see if there's any other cool techniques. The script looks for all iframe elements on the page. It filters these iframes to find ones that are loading content from Google Docs. It then tries to make a CORS request to fetch the content of the Google Doc directly. In practice, browsers will block this request due to security policies. If it could fetch the content, the idea is to manipulate it, remove script tags, and replace the iframe. However, the specific approach would not work due to the CORS policy. The narrative in the code suggests an intention more than a functional implementation. Content structure, embedded content, SEO. Ooh. Can I copy? No. While the attempt to dynamically might face practical challenge, the source code demonstrates a mix of model 1 practices aimed at creating an engaging and interacting user experience, the use of external libraries for icons, styling, and visibility and design, structured navigation, and a mix of content types all contribute to the site's overall appeal. Huh. So nothing too crazy going on with Yassine's blog. Is there any more actual inspiration? There was Neil Patel's, but though I like his emails more than... Well, obviously, I had an idea for a newsletter unlocking... Newsletter sign up unlocks some secret content like follow on Twitch, and then subscription, monthly subscription unlocks all content, like sub on Twitch. Twitch sub equals site sub. So I'd have like this. God, I gotta pull it up again. Shit, I didn't want to do that. There we go. So you pull this up and then some of them would be like grayed out and they'd be like sign up for newsletter to unlock, and some of them would be grayed out and be like sign up, like sub on Twitch or sub here to unlock or something. Components with premium content grayed out, with easy sign up, with easy email sign up, rmail. Who uses rmail? Easy email sign up slash Twitch sub, Prime sub links. Cool. Yeah. You gotta funnel them. You gotta funnel. We gotta get those Prime subs, baby. Gotta get those Prime subs. I did the math. If I could get 1% of the unclaimed Prime subs, I would be making like 40 grand a month. And me and Adrian would ride this shit to the fucking top. Cause you know A-Rod's in the fucking company. You know A-Rod's in the fucking company, bro. That's a lot of dosh. That's a lot of dosh. That shit's going in our pockets. Okay, so the email thing inspired this, and then yoink and twist your favorite newsletter emails for the daily blast. Ooh. What if I made like a coding magazine? Coding magazine that looks like Thresh. Coding magazine with Thrasher inspo. That'd be sick. Neil Patel. Neil Patel's emails are way better than his site, which is super ironic. Incredibly ironic that the man that's getting you search engine optimized website sucks. Who da funk? Who da funk? Any other inspo? I need a completed. I can't. This is one of those like Elora chat where I need a completed column because I need to see where I've come. I need to see how far I've come. Everybody just wants to know how far they've come. Meters. Dracula flow quote that I'm forgetting about shooting ropes. Anyway. So yeah, we want a simple and cute layout. I want like a Chinese software cuteness. This is just a lot of notes. Yeah. What's the easiest code? Yeah, so easiest code base. Probably like HTML, simple JS, injected, Google Docs. Or a docs alt. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. GitHub commits. Holy fucking shit. Ideas. Yeah. Instead of Google Docs injection to HTML, inject the markdown entries in the GitHub repo. Daily GitHub repo commits. Easy JSON easy JSON so easy JSON content entries, easy vid content embed, or injection to HTML. Dude, that's fucking insane. I've combined getting the idea of using this blog I keep saying blog. I don't know why the fuck it's not a blog. It's like a content database. It's the content hub. The hub, the hub, the hub, the hub. Not the blog, it's the hub. It's not the blog, it's the hub. Every day when I put content up, I'm automatically making the content itself to a certain point. To a certain point, I am acting it out on stream, but for every piece of content that I put up, a JSON entry automatically gets created and stored in and committed to my GitHub, which gets me a GitHub commit, which gets me much easier storage of all my content in a database. I am using GitHub as a database, right? But why not? I want this all to be public. Yeah, that's awesome. I can't believe I didn't think of that. So I'm just going to keep going with this sort of like embedding or like injecting the GitHub. Let me go back to my repo. And then go to the about component and literally just like I can modify this to every time I commit a new. So every time a new product is posted, an SEO optimized JSON entry is created and committed to the repo, and the site is updated automatically with the new data. That's fucking money in my pocket. Money in my pocket. And what has it got in its pockets is...
What has it got in its pockets is...
So yeah, I'm streaming. That's basically a really good plan. I think I'm not gonna lie, this is a crazy good plan. I'm gonna get rid of stuff in here. Simple and cute layout, easiest code base, easiest and cutest components. So I want cute components. Great, cute, simple, modular components. That's what I'm getting from that. Format for database, super slick list of container items that show the post source icon, link, source, easy of his, database meta, store, the content, super slick list of container items is basically create 2 cards for me. Yeah, wow, super fucking awesome, Trello. Formats. Prominent link to the content DB in your portfolio site, and basically create basic repo. We need to create a basic repo. Stat. Create basic repo. Create most basic repo with HTML site and start. Nah, I'm just gonna say create basic repo, because I literally just want to create an HTML page that gets served, and then go from there. I want this to be like I want this to be the real deal as far as professionalism. Create basic repo. Okay, done. Expand, have sections for projects. It's not content. Everything is content, brother. Well, there's stuff like your portfolio website's not yet. You can put so maybe have a projects page. Consider, like, what does Doug's website look like? Sug. He has content, green screen, doobies, holy spoons. He has God, his website's insane. I'm gonna say I'm considering adding a projects type section that is separate from the content, but isn't that just GitHub? Just display prominent social icon buttons and clean up projects on GitHub. I almost put the hub, but this is the new hub. This is the new hub. Okay. This is the new hub, people. I don't know. What are we looking at as far as time? We've only been going for 38 minutes. Isn't that crazy? Crazy. Okay. What else did I have to do on my list here? Yeah, AI chat endpoints. We could work on the local model a little bit more, because the content hub will feature a cheap some sort of cheap chatbot type of model. I could upgrade my custom instructions. I don't really know what else to do now. Well, what do you got going on the rest of the day, Adrian? I'm just working and then going to group. Already worked out. Busy ass. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Working, then walk, run. Oh, that sounds awesome. That sounds awesome. I'm gonna start riding my bike to work. Can't do it on stream days though, unfortunately. Because I think it would take like 35 minutes to get there. I don't know. Yeah, definitely gonna start biking to work. Need to Need to start getting that fucking tan. It's gonna be so, like, I'm gonna be so dark by the end of this summer. It's gonna be crazy. Because I can just wear like bike shorts or something, like short shorts, and pretty much don't have to wear a shirt because I'm gonna be biking there at like 7, like before 9. As long as you're out in the sun before 9, it's fine. And then as long as you're out after 4, and I'm gonna be out at 4:30 to 5. So like those are just perfect hours for getting that delicious golden brown. But A-Rod doesn't have to work for that golden brown. I'm actually just pink unless I have some sort of tan. Like my ass is just pink. Salmon, yes, just a nice salmon. Yes, a perfect salmon color. Let's have our GPT write us a story. Let's have our GPT write us a story. In the last few minutes we have here. Boot it up. What story do we want to hear? Or do we want like a motivational piece from a wizard or something? Like you're a wizard from... Oh, write a morning motivational piece from Gandalf. That's yeah. I have what we need. Right. The motivational piece from Gandalf. That uses hypnosis techniques to help us incentivize using reverse psychology to make bad situations actually help us. Jesus. If Gandalf can help me incentivize reverse psychology to not fuck up, then I'm fucking down. What do you got for us, Gandalf? What do you got for us, bud? What do you fucking got for us? Hey, Agent 9. Hey, Agent 9. Go. Motivate us. All right. In the land of Erebor, where shadows dance and winds whisper secrets, I, Gandalf the Grey, stand before you. Hold on, can I pull this into... Can I pull this into... Do I have Speechify up in here? want to fucking speechify? God dang it. Oh well. Let's just read it. Or can Gandalf AI TTS paste text. No. No. Let's just read it. In the land of Erebor, where shadows dance and winds whisper secrets, I, Gandalf the Grey, stand before you, your humble guide in this journey of self-discovery. Today I shall share with you a powerful tool, one that lies within the realm of the subconscious mind, the art of reverse psychology. Imagine, if you will, a world where misfortune and adversity are not enemies to be feared, but rather opportunities for growth and transformation. A world where the very act of making bad situations better can lead to profound personal development and inner peace. To achieve such a state, we must first understand the power of our thoughts and beliefs. Our minds are like gardens, and the seeds we plant within them determine the fruits that will grow. If we constantly focus on the negative aspects of our lives, we will only harvest despair and suffering. But if we choose to cultivate positive, you're getting a little, okay. Turn our attention to reverse psychology. This technique involves the opposite of what we truly desire. For example, if we want to overcome a fear, practice exposing ourselves to the very thing that scares us. Oh, Gandalf, you're getting crazy, dude. This may seem counterintuitive. All right, Gandalf. Similarly, if we want to improve a bad situation, we can use... This is just Gandalf explaining what it is. I didn't... Yeah. So, I mean, like this was good, but it wasn't as good as it could be. So, yeah. Cook crystal meth. And with that, I will see y'all later. Goodbye. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. I gotta get out of here before the crystal meth finishes. Yeah, peace out. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Love you guys. Peace, Adrian. Love you, bro. Peace out.